Hey guys, Ember here, and the girl right here is Salena, also known as Nina, as you can see on her shirt. So we're gonna be singing "Payphone" by Maroon 5. So yeah. Okay.
Make it straight. I hate it when it's like that. I'm sorry. It's like straight.
There, make sure I have room in it too.
Well, pillow, move over.
Okay, well,
Okay.
here we go.
Stop. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are those plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? All the time that I wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? It's all wrong. Where are those plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all these fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone, you turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where has the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are those plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all these fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick.
Now I'm at a payphone. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, rate up, and comment. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Later.
Later. Peace.